Kitchen Passion is back with the mouth-watering recipe of chicken vegetable rice. They are close to the Chinese rice you eat at restaurants, but only more rich and tastier. To make this amazing recipe, you only need to add half a cup of oil in a wok. Add 250 grams of boneless chicken strips in the oil. Stir-fry the chicken for a couple of minutes and then add a pinch of salt and black pepper into it. Give it a stir and add 2 sliced medium-sized potatoes into the wok. Stir and let them cook through for a few minutes. Once the potatoes are soft, add 100 grams of peas and 1 julian cut carrot into the mixture. Now, add 1½ julian cut capsicum. Stir-fry everything until half cooked. Lastly, add half a cabbage sliced into thin strips and toss and turn all the vegetables until they are cooked well. It's time for the flavoring. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. You may add a tablespoon of chicken powder for that extra kick. Give it all a good mix and your chicken vegetable batter is ready. Now take 2 cups of boiled rice. Place half of the rice at the bottom of a pot. Pour 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce over the rice. Now, pour half of the chicken vegetable batter over the rice. Next, place the rest of the rice over the top and repeat the same process. Once the layering is done, cover the pot and let it cook over the lowest possible heat to let the aromas come through. After 15 minutes, uncover the pot and carefully mix everything up until well combined. Serve hot and enjoy this tasty goodness at home.